Hey my friend, my name is Alex Zubrev. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to realistically make anywhere from $100 all the way to $1,000 by watching Fortnite videos. And this video is actually gonna give you ideas how to monetize other niches as well. I know there's a lot of people that play games. I know my audience is usually older crowd like myself. I don't want to say I'm too old, but a lot of teenagers, a lot of millennials are watching my channel. And if you guys get value from my videos, I'm gonna ask you to smash that like button below the video, click on subscribe button, and there's a bell. Click on that so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of tips and tricks how to make money with affiliate marketing. So let's get to today's video. Today's content is how to get paid by watching Fortnite videos. Guys, it's very simple. If you really, I'm gonna break it down for you step by step how you can start doing this. So there's something called Google Trends, and Google has a lot of tools. So let's go to Chrome browser. I'll show you. So let's go to Google Trends, which is trends.google.com. And Fortnite is a search term which got very, very popular somewhere around March this year. And as you can see, it's really, really popular. So there's a lot of people uploading videos of gameplay. Fortnite is a game, online multiplayer game. It's there's a free version called Battle Royale. And with that, if you go to YouTube, let's do our research. Let's put our our research hat on and do the due diligence. Look at the amount of views that people are getting. You see this Fortnite time trials, for example, search term. This person uploaded this video 4 days ago. 1.5 million views. Let me blow this up for you, make it larger for you. As you can see, 1.5 million views, over 505,000 subscribers on this channel. So let's do some more reverse engineering. Let's go to his channel. Let's see what this channel is all about. There's tons of cool people sharing their gameplay, tips and tricks of the game, but our goal is how to tap into this niche and get paid, right? So this is exactly what we're doing. So let's take his channel, or her channel rather, right? Not sure who this person is. Let's give this person a shout out and go to something called Social Blade. On Social Blade, you can go and do research how popular any channel is on social media, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook fan pages, so on and so forth. So let's open Social Blade, socialblade.com. And type in this username. This site tracks popularity and the statistics of tons and tons of social media platforms. So what was the channel name? Games Radar. And this person has also Twitter, Twitch, Instagram. We're actually interested in YouTube channel. So let's see how much money can this person make on average per day, because this site tracks popularity, engagement level of the channel, how many videos are being uploaded, how many videos being watched, how many subscribers, how many likes, comments, and so on and so forth. But more importantly, it's gonna tell you how much money you can make with something called YouTube Partners Program, also known as AdSense. So every time there is an ad, I know it's annoying, right? You're watching a video, you want to watch a video, and there's an ad pops up, and you have to watch that video. Or a lot of times you can skip them after 5 to 15 seconds, but every time that video is being played, somebody is getting paid, right? Somebody's paying for an ad, and you as a content provider, right, if that ad is playing on your video, you're getting paid, certain percentage. It all adds up, right? So for example, this person is making anywhere from $1,000 to $19,000 a month, right? This is just one channel. There's dozens and dozens of channels and around this niche, right? So with Fortnite, you can easily tap into that ad revenue, as you can see. And I noticed that numbers are kind of not optimistic. They're actually way down low. A lot of times people make a lot more money. So as you can see, for example, let's see, today, Monday, right? This person made anywhere from $71 to $1,100. I noticed that the numbers could be a lot higher. So there's a title of this video, right? How to make $100 to $1,000 a day by watching Fortnite videos, right? So let me give you a strategy. So now that we identified that it's a really, really engaged audience, right? There's a lot of people watching ads. Now what we can do is create a sort of montage, right? Like we can put our own video together, which was gonna take us probably around anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. I'll show you the tools to use it. It shouldn't take you that much time. It's probably gonna take you a little bit longer first time you do it, but you can apply the strategy to many other niches as well, and I'll give you some tips along the way, what tools to use and how to get this done in relatively short time so you get results. So let's piggyback of this channel. Let's see what type of videos are on this channel. As you can see, very important, eye-catching thumbnails, right? And I'll give you a resource how to get those done really quick as well. So you don't have to be like a Photoshop expert. You don't have to be a graphic designer. We as business owners, we outsource a lot of stuff. So I'm not best at everything. I'm good at certain things, but I'm not best at everything. But I'm best at creating ideas and implementing them. So eye-catchy thumbnails, as you can see, all this video is getting tons and tons of views, right? Like this person uploaded this video 3 days ago, almost 5,000 views, 28,000 views. So this is definitely the niche that we can tap into. So now what we need to do is find a keyword, right? So I actually did the work for you guys already. So as an example, I found this Fortnite time trials keyword, which is a longer tail keyword, which is easier to rank for as opposed to the main keyword, which is Fortnite. But so what you can do is Fortnite and start typing use YouTube autocomplete feature. Autocomplete feature is gonna give you tons of ideas. So for example, type in letter A, and you're gonna get Fortnite animation, Fortnite Android, right? All those keywords you can potentially optimize for, right? All-time trials. So I did this. So let's see, Fortnite all-time trials, this keyword. Let's see what we can do. First of all, we need to see how many, and by the way, download this tool. It's called Video IQ Boost, right? It's free Google Chrome browser extension. It's gonna give you tons and tons of information that normally YouTube doesn't show you, such as keywords that you can optimize for, competition, and so on and so forth. Very, very powerful tool. Definitely must have in your toolbox if you want to make money online. And obviously I'm an affiliate marketer. I make lots of money with other programs as well. One of my top recommendations is this program. Started promoting a little over a month ago and already over $20,000 in commissions. Just an idea, tools, services, getting paid every month. It's all about residual income, guys, right? It's all about residual income. So let's go back to our main topic, right? So now that we know that this channel, these keywords are getting tons and tons of views, now is the time to find the keyword we want to optimize for. And I'll show you a quick and easy, if you will, dirty way how to create videos. Okay, so Fortnite all-time trials is the keyword. Now what we need to find out is how much competition is there. And for that you go to Google and you type in this all in title column, and in double quotes you type the keyword. So I did that for you already, and it's only 13 results. So basically there's no SEO optimization required to rank this video, but if you're trying to optimize for a keyword, I would suggest you look for keywords that have less than 10,000 results. So for example, if you were to type in Fortnite by itself, it's probably gonna have hundreds of thousands of videos, over 5 million videos. So chances to optimize for that probably not as good. It will take a lot more work. So Fortnite all-time trials, I believe, is the keyword. So what we need to do now that we know the topic, we know the keyword, very, very simple. We're gonna go to this website called Twitch. And Twitch gives you ability to find those short videos. So we're gonna type in our keyword, which is Fortnite all-time trials. And I think we need to click on more, and we want to find really short ones. And we want highlights. So a lot of people ask me, will we violate copyright laws by doing that? And the answer is no, because if you Google YouTube terms, you are allowed to reuse short videos up to like 20 to 30 seconds, and obviously give credit to original creator. And you can also use royalty-free background music, right? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So we're gonna download those videos. And if you don't know how to download, let me show you a really quick way to do it. This is fine. What we need to do is find the link, right? So this is the video link. And we're gonna go to our good old friend Google and type in download Twitch clips or videos. And there's tons of different sites that will you do it. I think you can use this one. So you'll type in the video link. You're gonna download the videos. You can use any other website. There's tons of websites that let you download it. Once you download videos, those video clips, for background music, what you do is this. You can actually download from YouTube as well using this site, savething.com. So after that, you're gonna go and you're gonna look for royalty-free music. And one of the sites you can use is bandsound.com, where you can get lots of ideas for your background music. You can preview the music, right? I don't know, maybe that one. So find something that you like, something that will make sense with those videos, right? After you get all that stuff, use the editing software, right? So if I'm not a video editor by any means, but I use iMovie, which comes with my MacBook, right? Been using iMovie for a very long time. But there's tons of video editors. If you're on Windows, there's a Windows Movie Maker, I believe, very easy to use. So once you make those videos, once you create edited sort of montage videos, you can upload them to YouTube. And like the keyword that we selected does not have that much competition, right? All-time trial. So you'll be ranking pretty much by default. There's only 20 videos on each page of YouTube, right? Results. But if you trying to rank for something more competitive, I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video, guys. There's gonna be a video where I teach YouTube optimization, how I optimize all my videos to get on the first page of YouTube and sometimes in Google as well, obviously. And you get all the best traffic, right, for those keywords. The most, people typing their problem, they're looking for solution, right? And that's where your video comes up, and they take action on it, and they watch ads. You get paid. I'll give you additional ideas. You guys can scale up your affiliate marketing by adding like merchandise, like t-shirts, right? You can add, I don't know, you can sell iPhone cases with the logo for Fortnite, right? You can do lots of cool stuff. You can sell mugs, coffee mugs, right? So there's tons of ways to monetize it. Couple of websites you can find. I think there used to be a Teespring. I don't know if they're popular anymore. They were used to be popular a couple of years ago. I think there's printful.com, which lets you do this stuff, resell t-shirts and other merchandise, backpacks, swimwear, if you will, anything you can think of, coffee mugs, and you get paid commissions. Phone cases, just like I said, new iPhones coming out next month, iPhone 9, iPhone 10 plus. They might change the name, who knows, we'll see. But just put your marketer's hat on and think about ideas, right? How you can monetize this kind of audience, the videos, the views, right? All those people that are gonna be watching your montage, your compilation videos around this topic, around Fortnite, right? And you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,000, depending how popular a video gets, right? But you can see this person is making, anywhere, up to $238,000 a year, and these numbers could be on the low side. It could be double that, right? So really think about the numbers, think about the ideas, think about the possibilities are absolutely endless, right? With this type of marketing. And like I said, if you're looking to learn how to really make serious money online, I cannot stress enough importance of having access to a system that is really done for you, has a lot of components done for you, a lot of leverage points. So all you really have to focus on is drive targeted traffic, and you get paid high ticket commissions. Like in this program, I'm going to put a link in the description, over $21,000 in commissions in about 6 weeks, which is really, really good. And it's very, very popular. People love the training. People love the value. If you want to learn affiliate marketing from A to Z, how to make money with many, many other things, many income streams like I do, there's going to be resources in the description. Go check out those resources in the description. And hopefully this video gave you ideas how to monetize, popular trends on Google, which come and go, right? Some of them are long-term, some of them are short-term, but there's a lot of stuff. Think about holidays, think about, Christmas items, right? Think about seasonal items that are coming soon, Thanksgiving and other holidays. Think about those things and look for those trends on Google. Then do your research on YouTube and piggyback of that traffic, right? And monetize it, at least with ads from YouTube, but also you can monetize it with other things such as merchandise, right? So if you guys got value out of this video, I welcome all the comments. I reply personally. Check out my resources in the description below this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other videos from me, and keep me posted on your success, on your results. And if I can help you in any way, you can get coaching and consulting from me as well. So with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, and start making money online like everybody else is doing. So with that, God bless and take care.